Hey guys, welcome back to another interesting video in D-T-lite channel. In my previous video, we have seen what is multithreading and how it is implemented using thread class in Java. For those who have not watched my previous video, please do watch it. I have given the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to see what is synchronization and how is it useful in Java. So let's get started with an example to understand more. So this is an example which I am using it here for explaining synchronization. So the idea behind this class is to increment this variable amount. For that I am using a method, declaring a method here, public void display, and I am calling this method here. So in this method what we are going to do is that I am going to create a thread here, thread T1 equal to new thread, and I'm going to use runnable interface. You can also use lambda expression here, but here I'm using anonymous class. So what this thread will do is that I'm going to use a for loop here and I'm going to call that method. For int I equal to 0, say for example 10,000, I plus plus, and I'm just going to call another method which will be incrementing the amount variable. So I'm going to create a method, say for addition. So what this method will do is that it will increment the amount variable. So I'm going to use amount plus plus, and here I'm going to invoke this addition method. Let's see once if this thread is getting started what will happen. So I'm just going to give start here, and let's see what is happening once this code gets executed. Oops, I have not print the variable. Okay, fine. Let me print the variable here, amount, and then this variable. Let's rerun it. Fine. Okay, so as you can see in the console, the variable amount has not got incremented with respect to this value. That is, we have declared the loop like till 10,000. So this variable amount should have got incremented to 10,000, but this has not happened here. So what is it meaning is that at any point of time the main thread will not know that this thread is incrementing the variable. That is, while this thread is executing this addition method, the main thread will just print the variable amount. So ultimately what is happening here is that the main thread is not knowing that this thread is executing this addition method. So for that you have to use a join method here. It throws a checked exception, so I'm including it in try catch block. Catch exception E. Okay, so now let's execute this program again. That's it. So you have got the variable amount and the value is 10,000. If in case if there are like two threads accessing this method, let's see what is happening. I'm declaring a one more thread here, thread T2 equal to new thread. I'm using same runnable interface here, and I'm incrementing the variable again, int I equal to 0, I less than 10,000 I plus plus, calling the same method here. So what this thread will do is that it will also invoke the addition method. And let's start the thread 2 also here. T2 dot start, and we also have to include T2 dot join here to intimate the main thread that this thread is performing the addition operation. So here I'm including it in try catch block. That is all. So let's see what is happening once this code gets executed. Oops. So as you can see in the console, we have not got the desired output. That is, the output should be 20,000, because in this for loop what we are doing, we are invoking the addition method which will be incrementing the amount variable. Again in this thread we are invoking addition method that will again increment the amount variable. So twice this method is invoked. So ultimately the output should be 20,000, but we have not got the desired output. So what is happening here is that while one thread, that is while T1 is performing this operation, that is while T1 is invoking the addition method, at the same time T2 is also trying to access the addition method. So that time thread T2 will not know that T1 is performing addition operation and T2 will also perform simultaneously. So in order to avoid that, we have to use a keyword synchronized. So that is where synchronization comes into picture. So if you use synchronized method, thread T2 will know that T1 will be performing addition operation, that is it is invoking the method addition, and it will wait until the T1 thread gets completed, and then it will start to invoke the addition method. So when we run this program again, that is all guys. So we have got the desired output 20,000. So this is how you have to use synchronized keyword in multithreading. That is all for this video guys. Thank you all for watching this video. Hit the like button, share and subscribe. Meet you all in my next video. Bye.